Hello my friends and welcome to another video. Today I'll be sharing with you an easy and delicious chicken spaghetti recipe. Here are just a few items you'll need to make it. So starting off this meal, I'm just adding a little bit of olive oil to a pan, and I'm gonna add my marinated chicken to it just to fry up. Get it golden brown on both sides. This chicken is marinated with some garlic salt, paprika, salt and pepper, and to marinate it I used just a little bit of white wine. You want to let this cook until it's about golden brown on each side. I'm just filling up a pot with some water here for my pasta. And now I'm just shredding some carrots. Baby carrots is all I had on hand. And then I'm going to dice up half of a white onion. I want to take this time to thank you for stopping by to watch this video. If you haven't done so, I would really appreciate it if you could subscribe. I have a lot of videos coming up, including recipes, home renovations, DIYs, as well as a fun trip to Universal Studios this year. So please don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can go on this adventure with us. So it's been about 5 minutes now that my chicken has been browning up. I'm just giving it a quick flip and gonna let the other side brown up as well. Next, I'm just removing the chicken from the pot now that it's halfway cooked. I'm going to leave the oil at the bottom, as now we're going to saute some onions and the carrots. I'm also going to add in about 1.5 teaspoons of minced garlic. I'm going to let this saute until the onions have softened up. Now I'm just adding in that full can of chili seasoning. I'm going to let this come to a full simmer, and then I'm going to add in my chicken again. In the meantime, I'm just going to add my pasta to my boiling water. You just want to cook the pasta until it's al dente, and then you're going to be adding the pasta in with the chicken and the tomato sauce. And don't forget to season your water. I know this doesn't seem like much of a gourmet dish, but this is one of my family's absolute favorite to make. It is always requested in my house, and when I make it, there's hardly ever any leftovers the next day. They just love this dish. So now that I've added the chicken back into the pan along with the sauce, you're gonna let it cook now for, I'd say, about 10 minutes or so, until the chicken is fully cooked. Now you want to hit it with some salt and pepper. Once your chicken is fully cooked, now you want to go ahead and add that cooked spaghetti in the pan. You're going to let this boil for now about another 10 minutes or so, just enough to get those juices absorbed into the pasta. Once that's done, you turn off your stove, let it sit for a bit, again, just to let those juices absorb, and that's it. You're pretty much ready to eat. Thanks again, guys, for stopping by and watching this video. I hope you try this recipe. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried it and if you like it. Don't forget to check out my other videos. I have a lot of content coming out. Don't forget to hit that like button, that subscribe, that notification bell so you can be notified every time there's a new video. Thanks again, guys. Bye.